What is your potential? What if you identified a clear cause for your life, backed it up by pursuits, and then looked at your relationships, wellness, work, and personal interests as an opportunity to pursue something meaningful? And when you pursue something meaningful, you're likely bringing others with you. Did you know that we spend almost 50% of our waking time in work or work-related activities? That's why we need to look at work as an opportunity to pursue our potential or our cause. Let's make sure that our cause and our pursuits can be realized through what we do at work. Because work is such a significant pillar in our lives, we need to make sure that is helping us create better relationships. It's helping us with our wellness, both physically and psychologically, and it also gives us the opportunity to pursue personal interests. So let's look at the personal whiteboard and look at all the different aspects of that and how they blend together to help you pursue your individual potential and help others pursue theirs as well.